Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNGA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out and answering a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move, and when you consider where the price was down at its low points on the day, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price certainly did make a very nice move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 18.5 cents. Why is 18.5 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 18.5 cents. Well, at that point in time, that would literally be, if the price came down here and broke below it, look at where the price would be. The price would be right back inside of that range where it just broke out from. Going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this. Not saying it will, but pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying progress, again, as that 18.5 cent mark. So definitely a very important level in terms of, helping us dictate whether or not the price is making progress or going back to where it was. What about areas of resistance? In terms where the sellers are currently residing, all about right up here at 20 cents. You can see that's essentially right where the party stopped today. So 20 cents, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls start to build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.